There's a really great trend that's happening right now in corporate America, and that is that employers are recognizing the benefits and the values of improving job satisfaction through environmental and experiential graphics. Today we're working with a material called 3M Dynoc, and what this is, it's an architectural film that's very popular with interior designers, and it looks like wood. So what we're able to do is take existing furniture and sheet the surface so that it looks brand new again. And it can be extremely cost effective in comparison to purchasing brand new furniture and equipment. The reason we specifically focused on this area is because employees spend a lot of time in this space. It's where they interact for breakfast and lunch and dinner. It's important that the graphics and the atmosphere is comfortable and it makes people happy in the place where they work. Alliance has partnered heavily with 3M, and we leverage technology and all of the new resources and materials available so that we can bring corporate clients just the best applications that are customized for their specific areas. And it really is all about the experiential piece that's created for employees.